everybody, it's Tina. Hope everybody's enjoying their Sunday. It's a beautiful day here. We have sauce cooking on the stove with sausage and meatballs, as a typical Italian house should on a Sunday. I just want to take you through the house real quick and show you some of the things we got from Amazon and from Hobby Lobby. I decided to throw Hobby Lobby in with it too, just because I have so many things from there. And I think it would be beneficial for you guys to see how the Hobby Lobby and Amazon kind of go hand in hand sometimes. So let's get going. Hey everybody, so let's start with the bedroom. So instead of doing just Amazon, I decided I would do Amazon and Hobby Lobby, only because I have so many things in the house from both places. So I thought it would be kind of beneficial to do both. So without further ado, so this is our bedroom, and the white throw here with the pom-poms on the bottom, this is an Amazon find, and it just is enough to give the bed a little like fluffiness to it, but also on cold nights we wrap it up over the bed sheets and it's really comfortable. We also have, this is actually another comforter that I got from Amazon, and oh, here's little Wednesday. Say hi, Wednesdays. Say hi. See, we'll move Wednesday out of the way. She doesn't want to be on TV, I don't think. So we have this also folded up. I just kind of wanted the bed to have more of a layered look to it. And Wednesday's looking outside. Come on. And then I got these pillow covers. These are from Amazon, and I don't know if you can see them too well, but they're kind of like a white stripe. And they were kind of bigger, so I had like pillows that I didn't really need anymore. So I bought these white ones just to throw over. And I thought it looked pretty nice. And then this one big pillow right here, I got at Hobby Lobby. And I thought that was really pretty. Just added a little something to the bed. So I got that. Then over here, I know there's a glare from outside. Maybe the sides will be better. But I just have like white, plain white curtains. And these are from Amazon. And I actually bought two because sometimes I take these down and I just let them flow on their own. If you can see too good, the light's kind of bad in here. So I got those on each window. And then I just have a sheer in the back. I don't think I got anything from Amazon or Hobby Lobby. Yes, I did. I think I showed you in a previous video, but Scott got me this little makeup tray from Amazon. It's an Amazon find. My flowers and this little vase are from Hobby Lobby, which I really like. I think they're really pretty. This vase, which has a little tea light in it, I kind of put it on my jewelry case, and at night it just shines up, and with the glass it's really pretty. The light on the inside I got from Amazon, and this I got from Hobby Lobby. And I think that's all in the room. Wednesday we rescued from a cat shelter. I say hi, Wednesday. Say hi. Oh, there's little Wednesday Louise. She's a little sweetheart. Okay, and then over here I just have kind of like a little table on our little nightstand. And the eucalyptus and the vase I got from Hobby Lobby. And then the beads I got from Amazon. And they came in a pack of 3, and I'll show you where the other ones are. Then there's a little decorative ball I got there, and the frames also from Hobby Lobby. So that's this room. And now we're going to go over into the bathroom. And there's a lot of things in here. So these little tins that are on the wall, and the foliage, and actually the sign, I got all 3 things at Hobby Lobby. So those were nice. The towels I got from Amazon, and these are just for show. We don't use these ones. And they're just layered. I have 3 different towels. I have a striped one, I have a regular one, then I have one with the P on it. And then on the top, I don't know if you can see really well, but I kind of decorated it, and everything up there is from Hobby Lobby. So I have like the little laundry service sign, and I have a couple vases and just some greenery. So I have that. And then this little towel I also got from Amazon, and it just kind of pulled it all together. And then also I have our shower curtain, and that was an Amazon find, and it's just ruffled. So that's that. And then behind the door, we took the closet door off and we just put another one. Our closet stuff is back there, our linen closet. So I just got another one with a ruffle on the bottom to match. And that is what we got from the stores at Amazon and from Hobby Lobby. So now we'll go over here. And this is just a little entryway spot. And everything in here came from Hobby Lobby, so the shelf and everything in it. And then down here, this is from Hobby Lobby, this is from Amazon, and then these are from Hobby Lobby. And I just kind of stacked them together because I thought it looked kind of pretty. Candle is from Hobby Lobby, and then this scale we got at a vintage market. It used to be in our kitchen, but I kind of moved things around. And then the candle is also from Hobby Lobby. So that's that little corner. Then over here, I have some books that I got from a vintage market, so I left those there. And a little plant from Hobby Lobby. This is from Amazon, and it's just a wax burner, so I have that. Then these are another set of the beads that came in the pack of 3 from Amazon. This is actually a stocking holder I got from Hobby Lobby, but I like it so much. As you can see on the back, it's where you stick your stocking, but I just kind of left it there. The little bell we got from a vintage market, and the little lamp is from Hobby Lobby. This is actually a cabinet that holds all of Scott's CDs in the back, and I just wanted to cover it up. So it was wood at one time, so we painted it white, and then we just put the it's actually a shower curtain, and we just hooked up a little shower rod so he can get in and out of his CDs when he needs to, and it's not kind of an eyesore. So that's that. Pretty much everything on the mantle is from Hobby Lobby. So the mantle video I did, which if you want to watch it, it's in one of our other YouTube videos, so feel free. And the vase with the eucalyptus, the candlesticks, the dough bowl. This is the other glass one, that's the same one that's in the bedroom. So I have that. Then I have these candlesticks, and they were all from Hobby Lobby, and the clock as well. So that's all of that. Then over to the TV. This is a little candle holder. We put a little tea light in there. That's from Hobby Lobby. And so is this little gold candle vase, which also holds a tea light. And at night it just kind of shines, so it's kind of pretty. And then this TV stand Scott actually bought for my birthday from Hobby Lobby. And it has like the barn doors that slide, so you can see those. And they just go like that. So all of our movies and things are in there. Over here, the little plant is from Hobby Lobby, as well as the lamps. And then this is behind our couch. And the candles and the candle holders are Hobby Lobby. Actually, I think the whole thing is. And then I bought a picture to put inside of that frame, both from Hobby Lobby. This was a wooden, kind of like just a thing to hang on the wall, but we painted it white and then just put that picture over it. So if I can just show you, that's what it looks like, and we kind of like that right there. And then there's the other lamp, and then that picture Scott got me from a little vintage market in Georgia when he went to go visit his parents. And then that's just stackable books, Hobby Lobby, and so is the plant. The pillow covers are from Hobby Lobby, and I just kind of mixed them up a little bit. Sorry, the cats like to lay on them. More for the cat, I guess. There's Gibson, there's little Wednesday, and he's snoozing as usual. And those are what we stack on the couch. Then these curtains as well are also from Amazon. I think they have really good curtains. I really like them a lot. They're durable, they wash well, and we just kind of hung them up there. I don't think you can see because it's of the lighting, but we just made a little shelf up there, and everything on that shelf is also from Hobby Lobby. There's a little shelf. And then we just put these on with rollers so we can close it at night if we want to. And both sets are from there. Then we just have like a little decorative, I don't know if you can see it, a little decorative circle thing, got it from Hobby Lobby. And then this old chair I actually bought from somebody on Facebook. I like vintage chairs, so I got one. And then I just got a little lamb's ear wreath and put a bow on it, a black and white striped bow, and I just kind of hang it off of there. So that's that. Again, more pillows, more pillow covers from Hobby Lobby. And the throw that we put on the couch is an Amazon find and has like little fringes on the bottom. And we leave it covered over there because Gibson seems to like that part of the couch, so it doesn't get scratched. We just cover it and he leaves it alone. So that's that. On the kitchen slash dining room table, so I have candlesticks, and those are from Hobby Lobby. The tray, also Hobby Lobby. And I think the only one is this is from Home Goods, which I showed you on the other video I did. And then I think that's all Hobby Lobby as well. That's that. Then on the hutch I got from Facebook. Somebody sold it on Facebook, but I got these gold handles. They came in a set from Hobby Lobby. And like I told you, I have beads everywhere, and these are all from Amazon in our wedding picture. And this did have white knobs on it at one time. Came with wood ones, so I switched them out a few times, but I really like the gold ones. I think the gold ones really make it pretty since it's black. This is hanging on the wall, and that's both from Hobby Lobby. It's just like a little white wicker basket. And that's that. This was actually outside, and it probably will go back outside. It's just like a little lantern, and I put a battery-powered candle in it, and there's threw some lamb's ear in it. And this lights up. It's a battery-powered candle, and we keep that on our deck. So either I'm going to put this back out on the deck, or I'm going to keep this one right here and get another one because I like it that much. Then in our new kitchen, so as you can see, I switched out the silver knobs, and I put gold ones on everything. And I think, I don't know, it just adds a little bit of something, which I really like. So that's that. The basket, I don't think was from either store. It's Sunday, we're Italian, so sausage and meatballs are cooking for dinner tonight. And these little prep containers that I keep everything in are from Amazon. This is an oil holder, holds your olive oil, and I got that from Hobby Lobby. And the if I can find it, the under the counter lights that I have are from Amazon. This picture is Hobby Lobby. Everything on this tray is Hobby Lobby, except for the beads. This is the third one in the set of 3. The Market Fresh sign I got also at Hobby Lobby. And the candle. And it's a very sunny day here, thank goodness. So my little Live Simply, a little faux plant, and this holds our dish detergent, all from Hobby Lobby. And over here I just put, lighting's kind of bad, but I have another candlesticks, some little basil sign, and a mint sign. Got those from Hobby Lobby. The curtain, the curtain is an Amazon find, and the wreath the wreath is from Hobby Lobby, but the beads were from Target actually. And I just kind of keep them up there. Lori at the Glam Farmhouse, you should check out her Amazon page and her Instagram page. She gave me the idea to do that. Love her house, and I just put it in ours. Then on the side of the fridge, I don't know about you guys, but our spices are just like all over the place, and we're getting out of control. So I bought this set from Amazon, and actually they're magnetic, so they stick, if I can get a better picture, they stick on your fridge. They come with labels, so this one says garlic, and then you always know where your spices are. There's a little, you could either sprinkle it or you could pour it. You just twist the top. So I got those. That's an Amazon find. So now our spices, the ones that we use more often than not, are right there. So they're always at my reach, and I really like that. Then I got this from Amazon as well. This holds our pens, so we always know where there's some good pens to use. And this is also from Amazon, and it's a meal and groceries list. So whenever we run out of something, we just grab a pen from here, write it on there, and then this way we always know what we have to get at the store. And I also got these cute pens. They're pink glitter, rose gold pink glitter, and I just thought they were really cool. These are an Amazon find as well. So we have these pens there. I have one at work too. I just love them. So they're in there. That tray at the top of the fridge And the beads, the pea, and the lamb's ear are all from Hobby Lobby. The home sign I got from Hobby Lobby, I think too. And this little container, these were a set of 3 from Amazon. And we just put little lights in there and it kind of lights up at night on the fridge, which I kind of like. This farmhouse sign is from Hobby Lobby. But we are going to paint this wall and this wall, probably a white or a gray. I just haven't made up my mind yet, so we're not painting anything till I'm 100% sure because we have to move the fridge. And that's kind of a big job to do. So any comments if you think it should be like a white or a gray? The cabinets are black, knobs are gold, and the backsplash is white with black grout. Love to hear your comments of what color you think my wall should be, so please leave a comment. On this wall, I just have my little coffee sign and another little wreath, both from Hobby Lobby. But when we paint this wall, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 shelves on there, and I'm going to do the kind with the plumbing pipe and then just sit the wood right on top, and I think they're going to be black, the black plumbing, and then white shelves, or gray depending on, but that's going to go right there, and then little Wednesday's eating, and that's where the cat food goes. But yeah, I love the gold on there. I just think it kind of brings it all together. Then I got these kitchen rugs, both from Amazon. They were only like $9, so I have one there and I have one over there. And excuse the floor, but after we paint, the floor is next. And I think we're gonna do like the barnwood tiles. So it looks like wood, but they're actually tiles, so they're easy to clean. And in the kitchen with water and things, I don't want real wood. So that I think is everything from here. And we have another room, we have the den, but Scott's in there, and I don't think there's much in there from Amazon or Hobby Lobby. So that is our video for today. If you had any questions about any of the things we have, where I found them, where I got them, just leave a message below. I'm happy to answer any of your questions. And have a great Sunday. I hope you guys enjoy it. Be kind to one another. Bye. Okay, one thing I forgot was our coffee table. And I just have a few random things on there. The beads are from Amazon. The candle holder is Hobby Lobby, and so is everything else. The tray too. I think the mats were Target. But that's what we just have right there as a little bit of decor. The candle is from Hobby Lobby. And I forgot to tell you about that one, so I just wanted to show you real quick. Bye, everybody.